Hello people. Welcome to Machine Talks. I hope you all are safe and healthy. In today's Machine Talks, let's start our new journey into machine learning. So, without wasting much time, let me take you to Mr. Andrew's lecture.
Hello folk, I'm Andrew, your mentor for today's lecture. A quick intro about me. I work in a Big Four firm as a data scientist since last 5 years. I trained more than 12 batches in my entire IT career. I wish due to YouTube platform the count would be limitless. So what do you think? What is machine learning? Please mention in the comment section. So let me ask Google what is the definition of machine learning. Okay Google, what is machine learning?
According to Google, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed.
Do you find this confusing? No problem. Let us figure it out with an example. Machine learning is a concept where we will give lots of data to the machine and train it so it can learn from the data instead of hardcore program. Whenever machine will get any input, it take the input as a new data and retrain the model. After training, it will predict the output on the basis of the trained data. As here, we predict the animal vertebrate. Let's take one more example. Please welcome Miss Julia and Mr. Samir. Let me take a pause and ask you, how do you recognize each individual? Pause this video and think about it. I hope you have done well on this small activity. Let's observe each individual one by one. You will definitely try to figure out them on the basis of their attributes. We can recognize Julia on the basis of her hair, eyes, height, and gender for now. And Samir on the basis of his facial expression, eyes, height, and gender too. Once you will have all the required data with you, it will be easy for you to use the same concept to make comparable examples, right? Now you all learned about Miss Julia and Mr. Samir. Cheers! This is exactly what machine learning is. Except, here we give the examples and the trained dataset to our model, which chunks out the output based on previous outputs found in the data. I hope you must get the little understanding about machine learning. If not, don't worry. In the next lecture, we will be discussing it in more detail. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. So people, please note down today's assignment. Your today's task is to read about what is machine learning and share machine learning examples in the comment section.
Thank you. Visit again.